The Parrot and the Rat. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, lived a colorful parrot and a clever rat. The parrot lived in a tall tree, and the rat lived in a small hole at the bottom of the tree. They were good friends and always helped each other. One day, a hunter came to the forest. He saw the parrot and set a trap under the tree. The parrot did not see the trap and got caught. It cried for help. "Oh no! Help! Someone help me! Don't worry, friend. I am coming." The rat heard the parrot and ran out. It saw the net and quickly started chewing the ropes. "Thank you, my dear friend. You saved my life." After some time, the net broke, and the parrot flew away happily. Moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more stories.